Well, it's time to decorate for the holidays, and a place to go to is Terra Casa, and I'm with Diana. And you know, why we love coming here is because you look everywhere to see inspiration and beauty. It's not just at the floor level, mid-level, but up above.
We have a lot of different kinds of displays this year, way different than years past. So yeah, you'll want to look everywhere when you come in, and it is overwhelming because there is a lot of stuff to look at. But we did a lot of displays up in the air with our larger ornaments and with icicle ornaments, and it's stuff people can replicate at home, but yeah, it's kind of fun to look around all over the store.
And do you have any like little tricks for us to help us do that?
Well, there's a lot of things you can do. The nice thing about ornaments is they're not very heavy, so we use a lot of these little O-rings to put up in the ceiling. And the nice thing is if you put it in sheetrock, when you take them out, you just use a little toothpaste and fill it in, and nobody will ever know it was there. But you can do little O-rings, little cup hooks, and use those to hang ornaments in different places in your home. It's great for a corner, gives it a lot of depth and a lot of different things to look at.
Nice, and I love this branch behind us. That's just beautiful with the snow and the icicles, snowflakes.
Isn't that fun? Very festive, yeah. And sometimes less is more. Sometimes the fewer ornaments you use, the more of a statement it makes. So sometimes you can overload a tree, and sometimes just use a few ornaments, and that makes a statement in itself.
Oh, it always is inspirational to come here. But what else is inspirational is gifts, and we have to start our gift list. So let's go over to the gift area and maybe look at some stocking stuffers.
Okay.
All right. Diana, this area is just mere steps from Christmas land, but it's such a fun place to go.
So this is our annex. We call this the annex. This is where we have the greeting cards, but we have a lot of little things in here that are great for stocking stuffers for kids and men and women, and even your dog, should you have a dog.
Oh, that's so
yes.
great. Tell us a couple things.
So we have a lot of puzzles this year because people are still doing puzzles. We have a lot of little decks of cards, table topic things. We have music boxes, little baby music boxes that play Beatles music. Books, these are from people right here in Happy Valley, Oregon that are autographed, and lots of different things that are fun for that special person that you know, I don't know about you, but stockings are really big at our house. So.
Oh, they are, and I think you can get so many fun things that are personal, and stockings or socks for your stocking stuffer, I think is a great idea.
We have socks as well. They're kind of fun, maybe a few with maybe some potty words, but they're fun. There's just some really things that people giggle at when they come in.
Yeah, and I think just for any kind of holiday or any kind of occasion, birthdays or anniversaries, this is the great place to come, because it's not just the Christmas things this time of year, it's all these little gifties, and you always have someone that you want to get that fun gift, that special gift. So please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over the Terra Casa website, but come on up here and get inspired for Christmas, for decorations and for gifts. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Judy.